Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside the truck with doors closed. This prevents interference. Insert key, then turn to on do not start and back to off twice, ending in on. This triggers ECU programming mode. You must perform these ignition cycles within about 40 seconds so modules stay awake, otherwise restart. Once done, press any existing programmed fob button to verify the system is ready and the vehicle acknowledges a remote. Make sure every step is deliberate and paced. Now focus on the new remote. Press and hold the two main buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds. This wakes the fob into programming state. Next, within 20 seconds, press the lock button on a previously programmed fob once to tell the truck to accept the new ID. You will hear lock cycle as confirmation. If you have multiple new remotes, repeat this sequence for each one before finalizing. Once all are queued, turn ignition off then on to commit the changes to memory. Finish by stepping out and testing every button, lock, unlock, panic, and remote start if your Tacoma supports it. If a fob doesn't respond, swap to a fresh CR2032 battery and repeat the programming routine. Weak batteries often mimic pairing failure. If problems persist, verify the fob is model compatible and that you used an original programmed fob during the sequence. Otherwise, the vehicle may require a dealer or OBD-level programmer to add the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.